Now, when James Rolleston agreed to this story, he had a lot on his plate: publicity for his latest film Dark Horse, the national kapa haka competitions, a rugby game for his first 15, and the school ball. So we counted ourselves lucky to spend time with this rising star and some of his favourite people.
Kia ora, my name is Boy, and welcome to my interesting world.
The boy is a young man.
Kia ora, my name's James Rolleston, and welcome to my interesting world.
A world where there's no rush, and movies at the Deluxe. Here James is happy, even when a director asks him to do this.
Welcome to my home. Hey?
Just gesture how you were before. Your arm?
Oh yeah.
We'll just go up one more time. I quite
Alright,
like
so
it when you just look forward. Okay, man, and...
Welcome to my home, Opotiki. See, that's the boys. That's the boys you'll be seeing at kapa haka in the ball. Those the boys. Those the boys that I've... Oh, the boys. See, they see my car and they're already winding their windows down because I could already see them going out the window. It's always good to get out of Opo and go check out the city for a little while, but then that's only for like a couple of days. Then I want to come home, just come back to Opotiki. So I still got all my best bros. We all in here, we're still close as. Still go to school together and that. I love being here because of that. No one really freaks out about me being around or anything. It's only when I go out of Opo that people freak out over me and then it's I just get all shy and then, yeah, I don't really like school. I actually miss it when I go away.
Opotiki's not perfect. There's gangs and not a lot of local work, but on the whole, life's good in this humble Eastern Bay of Plenty town.
This is the wharf. This is where heaps of people come fishing and swimming, but not today because she's a bit nippy.
And there's that smile, the one that's charmed us in the Vodafone ads.
Know what? This place isn't all it's cracked up to be.
The one that shines at red carpet events. And of course, there's the natural talent.
What do you want to say to all the other budding young Māori actors that are coming up?
Oh, if he's on a try and crack it, just go hard. Yeah, don't hold back. I was a little shy fellow in class, and I just got the opportunity and I took it. So yeah, shit.
James Rolleston is mana. He's just, he's my idol. I look up to him. I think he's a wonderful talent.
A talent that helped his team at this week's Kapa Haka Nationals. A talent that secured a lead role in his next film, The Deadlands.
Yeah, it was it was a little bit difficult, especially because it was all in all te reo Māori. It was all in that. You know, I'm not fluent or anything in that. Yeah, it was difficult getting into the character at first, but I got there and I loved it. One of my favourite characters I've played.
Yeah, I hate James Rolleston. I'm really proud of him. He's busy, which is more than I could have hoped or dreamed for him yet, because it's such a hard industry to survive in.
But the lure of Hollywood hasn't turned this young head. His feet are firmly on the ground, thanks to Nan.
Oh, she's just always told me to watch out for myself, kind of keep on a straight line, don't drift off, and just stay the same. I'm lucky as to have good mates, and every mate, I still have the best mates since we were little as, went to primary, and they've just grounded me hard out, I haven't changed a bit.
Given the choice of a premiere and a school ball, there's no surprise which James chose.
That's just how it is, cash. Casual.
After 10 days on the film publicity trail, this is precious time. They hunt together, dive together, and tonight they're out to make an impression together.
Oh, I need a step first. I need a stepper. My things are too tight.
Going to the ball in true Opotiki style.
What's a limousine?
It's good. Just there.
Despite the cold, it feels like the whole town's turned out. And no, they're not all here to see James.
Jump over here. Jump over here, kiddo.
At just 17, it's hard not to see magic in James Rolleston. And wherever it takes him, he won't be alone.
Off to the ball on horseback now. I've seen it all. And the movie The Deadlands is scheduled for release later this year. It's a mean movie and James is mean in it.